Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a super practical tutorial for you. We're going to create a sign-up page in Webflow from scratch, and yes, it's going to be really simple even if you're new to Webflow or building forms online. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional sign-up page ready for your community newsletter or whatever you need, and you'll know exactly how to fine-tune it so your visitors have a smooth, welcoming experience. Let's jump right in and get this going. First things first, you want to head over to your Webflow project and navigate to your list of pages. If you're following along, you probably already have your main site set up. What we need now is to create a new page just for our sign-up form. So click Create New Page, give it a name like Sign Up or Join Us. It's always a good habit to keep your page names clear and direct because this helps both you and your users down the line. Once you have your new page open, it's time to add the magic ingredient, the form block. In Webflow, components are super visual and everything is drag and drop, so find the form block in the Add Elements panel, then just drag it onto your blank page. This form block gives you a default setup, name, email, maybe a message field, but don't worry, we can make it your own. Now let's take a little extra time to customize your form. It might be tempting to just leave the standard fields, but think about why people are signing up. Do you need both their first and last names, or just their email is enough? Click into each field. You can rename labels, add a placeholder, or delete fields you don't need. For example, if you're building a newsletter sign-up, just the email field with a crisp callout like "Enter your best email to get updates" can be more inviting. This is where you can also add a personal touch. Change the button text to something warm and action-oriented, like "Join Now" or "Get Started." Don't forget to check that your field settings make sense, like requiring the email field so you don't get incomplete submissions. Up next, let's make your form feel welcoming. Add a text element above the form that says "Join our community" or whatever fits your brand voice. This step can feel small, but trust me, a friendly headline makes a world of difference and gently encourages users to take that step to connect. Now before we celebrate, let's handle a tiny bit of back-end housekeeping. Go up to your site settings and head over to the Forms tab. Here, double-check your sender details. You'll see a sender name, which is what shows up in the notification emails you'll get from submissions. Most importantly, look for the Send Form Submissions to field. Make sure this is set to the correct email address where you want all those sign-up form responses delivered. It's a quick step, but it's easy to overlook. If this isn't set right, you might miss out on all those new community members trying to reach you. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. Go back to your site, then click the Preview button in Webflow. This is your chance to test things before you publish. Fill in your name and email just like a user would and hit sign up. Watch for the confirmation message, and if you've set up your email correctly, check your inbox for that new submission. There you have it, you've built a clean, custom sign-up page in Webflow end-to-end. If any part felt tricky or you want more design tips, let me know down below. Hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. See you in the next video.